Hi, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a lifted over knot stitch. The goal of this stitch is to create what looks like a wrap around the base of a couple of our stitches for decorative purposes. So we are going to need 3 stitches to do this, so I'm going to be using stitches 1, 2, and 3. And to start it off, we're simply going to lift our 3rd stitch up and over our first 2 and off our needle. So I've inserted my needle into it purlwise, and now I'm just going to lift it up, over, off. And now you can see it's creating a nice little wrap around the base of those 2 stitches. Now we need to make up for the stitch we just removed. So we're going to do a knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and then we'll be back up to our original stitch count. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And that would work the same way if you were English style instead of continental, which is how I was just holding it in my left hand. So I'll show that one more time, English style. So again, we've got 3 stitches. I am going to insert my needle tip purlwise into the 3rd stitch, and I'm going to lift it up, over, and off. So it's now around the base of my first 2 stitches. And then I'm going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And that's it. That is a lifted over knot stitch. I hope you try it. Happy knitting.